Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you a couple of things real quick on how to subtract a fraction. So let's say we had 4 fifths minus, let's make that negative, minus 8 ninths. I want to subtract these two numbers. You have to get a common denominator first. So common denominator for these two is 45. So I'm going to make my common denominator 45. Now what do I do here? I have to multiply this and this by a number to get 45. Well, what do I multiply 5 by? Multiply by 9. So I do the same thing here. So that's going to give me 36, not 40 anything. That's going to give me 36 right there. And then I multiply 9 by 5. So I'm going to multiply that by 5. And that's going to give me 40. So then to subtract this, I'm going to use the rules of subtraction. We're going to keep, change, change. Signs are the same, so we're going to add them together. So 36 plus 40 is 76 over 45. Which, if we turn it into an improper fraction, we'll get 1, that's negative, and 31 over 45. So common denominator, make it the smallest number you can possibly use. And here's another example. Let's say we had 7 let's not use 7. Let's say we had 4.8 over 3.2. And you are asked to simplify. Well, what do you have to do? Well, in order for a fraction to be simplified, the numerator and the denominator have to be a whole number or an integer. So to make these an integer, I've got one decimal place. So I'm going to multiply the top by 10 and the bottom by 10. You have to multiply by the same number. And so that'll give me 48 over 32, which I can then reduce. 4 goes into both. 8 goes into both. Let's divide by 8. 48 divided by 8 is 6. 32 divided by 8 is 4. That'll reduce by 2, so divide by 2. We'll get 3 over 2, which is 1.5. So that's a quick help for intermediate algebra for the lesson with fractions. So if you have any questions, please let me know by asking the teacher message or make an appointment for office hours.